So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Xbox Remote Play black screen, HDR, HDCP windowed mode and encoder fix. Fix 1 is perform a hard reset on your console. Hold the physical power button on the front of the Xbox console for 10 seconds, then wait for the console to shut down completely. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Xbox for 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in, then turn the console on using the physical power button. Second fix is reset remote features on the Xbox. Press the Xbox button on your console or controller to open the guide. Then navigate to Profile and System, then Setting, then Device and Connection, then Remote Features. Uncheck the box next to Enable Remote feature. Then restart your Xbox console normally. Return to the same menu and check the box to enable remote features. Select Test Remote Play on the same screen and let the test finish. Third fix is change the power mode to sleep. Open the guide by pressing the Xbox button, then navigate to Profile and System, then Setting, then Journal, then Power option. Select the Sleep option. Fourth fix is refresh your app connection. Completely close the Xbox app on your device, then open the app and log out of your account. Restart your phone, tablet or PC. Open the app and log back in using the same Microsoft account linked to your Xbox. Navigate to My Library, then Console and attempt to launch Remote Play again. Thanks for watching.